Hi everybody, in this video I will talk about what's the difference between deleting a program from the desktop display and how you're going to delete it totally from your laptop, and what's the difference between deleting them from control panel. If you go to control panel, from here if you go to program, you can choose this one, and where's the difference between deleting the program from here, and are they gonna delete like completely, or there will be like lifting files. I'll explain everything. Some people think like when they delete like stuff from the desktop display, let's say like if I delete this one, the Adobe, if I delete it, they will think I will delete from the hard disk too. That's wrong. And even if you go to Google, what they tell you like is deleting a program the same as installing it? Usually yes, no, it is wrong. So if you delete program from your desktop display, you go to control panel, and if you open the install and change program, if we look for the Adobe, it's right here, still here. That means it didn't delete. So please make sure if you want to delete it, you're gonna delete it from install or change program. And even if you delete it from here, you're gonna have like a lot of files, and they will left behind. They will be on your hard drive. So the best way to delete them with the best way to delete them from the REVO installer. Let's open this one. Here we go. I'll show you the way how to install your stuff, and you're not gonna leave like any files behind. This is the best way to delete everything and make your computer run faster and without any lifting files. So if you go to Adobe, say Adobe Creative Cloud, I don't need this one, so I'm gonna delete it. I'll show you one way. After you press on this one, you're gonna pop up a screen. You press continue. You're gonna wait over here. He's loading the files as this program contains, so just wait. Okay, here it will tell you like, are you sure you want to install Adobe? You may repair it now. Say install. So after that, you're gonna choose like save mode or moderate or advanced. For me, I'll choose advanced. Say scan. Please wait here to scan everything, wherever file like this program have it. Okay, here we go. So if you delete Adobe, even from here, from install, if you go to, let's go back a little bit. If you come over here, even if you uninstall from here, from this area, you're gonna have all those files left behind. So they're not gonna delete all of those. With this program, with the REVO, you're gonna install everything, all the file. So what you need to do, you need to select all, and after you select everything, say delete or press delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Let's say select items, yes. After you select them, okay, again go ahead and select all and say finish. Press finish, so you're not gonna have all the lifting file behind. Are you sure that you want to skip the delete of found leftover files. Say no, sorry, press delete. Just wait for this step. After that you're gonna press finish. Selected, but remaining file will be deleted during the next system restore. So after that, after you're done, like over here, like delete everything, and you need to restart your computer, so it's gonna delete everything after that. That's all what I need to show you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day.